Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the computation of mode in continuous series. In case of continuous frequency distribution, mode lies in a particular group or class. To locate the model class or mode group, following method are used. First, infection observation method. B, grouping method. The same procedure will be followed as is used in the discrete series. After locating the model class, to determine the exact value of mode by the following formula: Z is equal to L plus 1 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I, where Z is equal to mode, L1 is equal to lower limit of model class, F1 frequency of the model class, F0 frequency of the pre-model class, F2 frequency of the post-model class, and I is equal to class interval of a model class. Now we take the one example to determine the mode of the following distribution. Here wage rate are given: 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 to 500, 500 to 600. This is a continuous series and the number of workers are 3, 7, 15, 10 and 5. Since the distribution is fairly regular, therefore the mode group of above distribution is 300 to 400 by the infection method. Model class is 300 to 400. Then we take F1 as a 15. F1 is frequency of the model class and model class is 300 to 400, and F0 is 7, that is frequency of the pre-model class, and F2 is 10, a frequency of the post-model class, and L1 is lower limit of model class. The lower limit is 300. The model class we are taken at 300 to 400 and the lower limit is 300. And I is class interval of model class. So I is 100. The difference between the 300 400, the 100. Now we put the value into the formula. Z is equal to L plus F minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. Here L1 is 300, F1 15, F0 7, F2 10, I is equal to 100. After solving the equation, we get the answer 361.4 is the mode. And by grouping method we can take the another example. The above distribution is not regular because of their sudden decrease in frequency from 20 to 5 and again increase in frequency from 5 to 10. Means the frequency are 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35 and 35 to 40. The number of students 25, 10, 5, 10, 18, 12, 5, 3. By solving we can do it by the grouping method. We already done a grouping method. By following the following step, we draw the column first, second, third, fourth and fifth and sixth, that is grouping table. After making the grouping table, we make the analysis table. After making the analysis table, we find that 20 and 20 to 25 is the model class. Here 2025 is model class. The frequency F1 is 18 is F1, 15 is F0, 12 is F2 and the lower limit is 20 and I is equal to 5. By putting the value into the formula, that is L1 is 20, F1 is 18, F0 15, F2 12, I is equal to 5. We put the value into the formula, we get the mode 21.67. Thank you.